bata din po yung director namin. So sobrang naiintindihan niya yung mga pinagdadaanan namin, sobrang collaborative niya, at sobrang patient siya. Na lalo na dito, naiintindihan niya kung gaano ka-challenging ang mga roles namin dito. Binibigyan niya kami ng grace and space para matuto kami. So, ayun, parang ako po, I personally feel really grateful na I get to learn from him. We all do. And swerte po talaga kami na, sobrang committed po si Greg talaga dito sa project na to. And hindi lang sa bilang director, parang yung fulfillment niya as a director, pero parang tulungan talaga kami. King Clash.
King Clash.
Parang di ba ang partner mo si Aljon?
Yes.
Aljon
Mendoza. Oo.
Nagka-something ba kayo during that time? Parang nabalita na parang medyo nagkaroon kayo ng relationship.
Well, let's just say, Aljon and I were quite close back then, and I can't deny, that I did well. Personally, I can speak for myself that it was very special for me, and it served kumbaga yung purpose niya nung time ng buhay ko na yun, and I'll always be thankful to him for that, and I really do. I wish him well. I mean, I haven't seen him in so long, matagal na po kami hindi nakikita. Siguro baka mga 3 years na din, 3 or 4. I don't know.
Since that time?
Yeah, like 2 or 3 years. I haven't seen him. Pero, yun.
So you're not friends anymore?
I wouldn't say that we keep in touch anymore. Pero wala naman any like bad blood.
Wala.
Okay naman po kami. I just haven't gotten the chance to see him. Pero, if I were to see him again, like, I would treat him as an old friend. Tsaka, malalim din po yung pinagsamahan namin. And I'll always be grateful to him in that sense na, syempre, first project ko po yun. And ang dami din namin pinagdaanan together through that.
Kala ko first relationship.
Ay, hindi na pa.
Hindi, kasi may nilaunch kang album, may mga hugot ka doon sa mga
Opo.
past, di ba, relationships. Wala siya doon.
Kanya-kanyang interpretation.
Yun na.
Pwede naman masama siya to.
Sige, sasagutin mo muna siya.
Sige.
Yun na nga. So, yun na nga, nasagot naman na niya. So, wala siya doon sa mga songs na hugot mo.
Sa kanya-kanyang interpretation po, I never reveal who I saw.
Pero yung other
But yours,
relationship naman.
I have a relationship.
we're committed
Ano
with
na?
someone.
No, right now.
yours,
I'm
wala.
single.
Pero in the
okay.
past, ilan na yung naging serious relationship or relationship?
For me, well, I won't reveal a number to the public na siguro, para sa akin na po siguro yun. But it honestly not that much in that sense. I think growing up, just to share a little bit, I don't think I really had I didn't really date until I was like over 18 na po. So, kumbaga yung teenage years ko, I really just enjoyed it in that sense. So, ayun po, not a lot, but I can honestly say like every connection that I've had is really meaningful. I think very intentional naman po ako in terms of pag when I date someone, it's very intentional. Parang I'm not here to like play around.
So, gano'n nakatagal na wala?
Na
You're
wala.
single.
Years na po.
2 years na.
Few years.
A few years, okay.
How are your parents with that?
Boys, honestly, I think magugulat ang mga tao na parang, I think,
Chill lang
nandun-
sila.
I guess, well, I think people would be surprised to know, like, my dad is quite chill when it comes to it. I think if there's anyone who's a bit stricter, then it might be my mom. But a little bit, yeah. But honestly, naman po, kasi very open ang lines ng communication po namin ng parents ko po. So, parang, I know at the end of the day, they just want the best for me. That's it.
Stricto ba sila?
May pagka, in certain ways, pero I'd like to think na with the way that I was raised, kumbaga parang friends ko din po sila, pero syempre with that level of respect. But,
Pero iba na sila ngayon. Siyempre, as you mature, di ba? May mga projects ang ginagawa. Hindi nila masyado na pinapakailaman, hindi na, or paano sila ka-supportive din.
I'm very thankful po that my parents really give me kumbaga that freedom, to be able to explore and with my career. And po sila, nandun lang po talaga sila para gabayan ako. And, I mean, that's really all there is to it.
Hindi lang, how is he? Parang balita ko lumalabas na rin kayo. I mean, you go out, you eat together, or meron na bang gano'n?
Well, for me and Dylan, it's basically, I've really only seen him sa work mostly.
Taping lang.
Nakikita or sa workshop pa lang. But honestly, like, I'm really thankful din na to, be on this, journey with him. Kasi, like, he's a really good teammate sa project na to. Lalo na po, I can't stress enough kung gaano kabigat yung project na to. And it's nice to have someone who's equally committed to it as much as I am. Tsaka, we're there for each other to help push each other to be the best we can be. Parang, ang na-appreciate ko sa kanya, we constantly lift each other up. Pag sa mga interviews, and I've seen, how he's also talked about me in interviews, and sobrang na-appreciate ko yun sa kanya.
May possibility ba, Jay, na mag-is
Deeper
deeper yung pagkakakilala niyo, tapos mag-develop.
Mala Arjun din.
Push pa rin.
Mala Arjun din.
I really can't say. I can't tell what the future may bring. I think something that I also learned as a young adult, na ayoko pong pangunahan yung mga bagay-bagay. But at the same time, I keep my heart open and in that sense, and ako po, I just enjoy like getting to know him as a person, and he's a good person, and he's a good co-actor, he's a good person, and like I leave it at that for now. I won't speak too much in terms of the future of the time.
May say ba ang parents kapag napapol ka na dito, ayun, sabi mo nga, yung mga dinidate mo, nadi-date mo before, may say sila. It's important to you ba kung ano man yung
Opo,
comment nila,
siguro po,
or-
importante din naman po. Because alam ko naman po na they only want the best for me. And it's an open conversation. Like, nag-share din naman po ako sa kanila. So, in that sense, yes. But at the end of the day, we have that, parang may usapan kami na parang, syempre, at the end of the day, it's my choice. But binavalue ko po yung mga opinion.
meron na sila sinabi sa'yo